Welcome to my lesson, Flower Lovers. I would like to tell you about this tool. It's called a drawing plate, and there are a lot of questions how to use it. Very rarely I see people who knows how to use a drawing plate, but the majority of flower making sets include it. I will show you how to work with it now. Firstly, we have to secure our soldering iron. Some people use a vise for it. I prefer to put the soldering iron upright using this piece of timber. I ask my husband to cut it for me. I have already cut the silk strips and painted them for making grass. Also, we can make a long roulette from the long silk strip, that will save us a lot of time. I will show you how to do it now. Make a hole in one end of our strip and pass a small piece of wire through it. Twist the wire. Pass the wire with following strip through the biggest hole on the drawing plate. Slowly and continuously moving. If you stop, you can burn the silk. Now we will pass it through the next smaller hole. It will make our roulette thinner. And one more smaller hole. We can apply a little bit PVA glue on the edge along another strip and repeat the same process. As you see, with help of this magic tool, we quickly and easily made a nice looking roulette. I know how long it usually takes to make it. Because we secured our roulette with glue, we can pass the wire through and bend the roulette how we want. The drawing plate is included in my professional set of flower making tools that you can buy in my online shop. Happy flower making!